Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve edit packs. These packs are fantastic tools, offering a wide array of pre-designed assets such as titles, transitions, and effects. They are designed to significantly speed up your editing process and enhance your video's visual appeal. To get started, you'll usually download a compressed file, extract it, and then simply double-click the DRFX file to install the pack directly into DaVinci Resolve. It's a straightforward process that quickly expands your creative toolkit. Once your edit pack is installed, applying effects is incredibly easy. Navigate to the effects library on the Edit or Cut page, then simply drag and drop your desired title, transition, or effect onto a clip in your timeline. To personalize these elements, head over to the Inspector panel. Here, you can adjust various parameters such as text, colors, and animation timings. For frequently used custom effects, save them to your power bins for quick access in future projects, saving you valuable time. To ensure a smooth editing experience, especially with complex effects or high-resolution footage, optimizing DaVinci Resolve's performance is key. First, generate optimized media for your clips. This creates easier-to-process versions. Second, enable the render cache, which pre-renders sections of your timeline with heavy effects, indicated by a blue line. Finally, consider temporarily lowering your project's timeline resolution to 720 pixels or 1080 pixels while editing. Then switch back to full resolution for final export. After perfecting your video with edit pack elements, it's time to export your masterpiece. Head to the Deliver page and select your desired output format, typically MP4 with the H. 265 codec for excellent quality and efficient file size. For optimal visual fidelity, especially for 4K video, set your bitrate to around 100,000 kilobits per second. Remember to save your frequently used export settings as custom presets. This will significantly streamline your workflow for all your upcoming video projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.